What's going on, guys? It's Sneakerhead616 here, back with another video. And my aunt brought in these white canvas sneakers. I decided to make a video showing you guys how to clean white canvas sneakers, because canvas is one of the worst materials to clean, and this pair is like pretty much some of the worst canvas it gets. So I'm just gonna show you guys how to clean these up. Let's get right into it. Okay, so for the initial cleaning, I'm going to use some Reshoevn-Ator. I'm also going to use a little bit of bleach and also a little bit of dish detergent. So I'm going to be using my medium texture to begin the cleaning. Dip it into solution. I'm gonna start from the tongue and make our way around the entire shoe. Now for the inside of the shoe, I'm doing the same thing using the same brush. Just gonna go in there and scrub like so. So here's how the shoe looks right now. I'm gonna show you guys the other shoe that we haven't cleaned yet. You guys can see, still dirty. That's how canvas is. So we're gonna move on to the next couple steps. I'm gonna clean the bottoms and stuff like that, but I'm focused on the canvas, so I'm not gonna show all of that. So for the second phase of the cleaning, I'm gonna go wet the entire upper of the shoe. Make sure this canvas is soaking wet. So next, you want to get some blue detergent. It doesn't matter the brand. I just have extra with some Oxy for some extra cleaning power. But make sure the detergent is blue. I've got the detergent on my brush, and I'm just going to go ahead and brush it into the canvas. And so I've completely covered the shoes and the detergent, scrubbed it all over the shoes. Now I'm going to go ahead and let this sit underneath my UV light. Okay, and now I have them in my UV box. I'm gonna let these sit until dry. I'm gonna check on them in the morning, and then we're gonna see what's looking like. So here's how the shoes look after they've been drowned in detergent. You guys can see a lot of the stains rise up to the surface, so it kind of makes the shoe look worse than it initially did. But that's okay. That just means that the stains are rising again, like I said. So I'm gonna get some warm water and just completely rinse out the detergent. And you can use your brush too and scrub it out like that as well. So I've rinsed out the shoes. You guys can see. Here's how they look now. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna take some toilet paper. I'm gonna wrap the shoes in there. So what I do is I like to take 2 tiles, like so. So then I fold it. So like on this shoe, on the part right here, I'll place it down on the toe. Just like so. And if you have a spray bottle, you can just use the spray bottle and just spray it down, make it stick more. As long as it sticks and the shoe is still wet, just go ahead and do this around the entire shoe, and essentially it's going to absorb the dirt. Alright guys, you guys can see when I said the tissue will absorb the dirt, all that stuff that's dried into it is the dirt. Now this is probably not going to be all gone just from this one session. Let's take it off and see. But here's how it's looking. I'm not gonna lie, it's a lot cleaner. Hold on, this session might have done it. Okay, so we have some little prints here and there, but realistically, it got rid of most of it. The rest I could probably scrub off or something, but super happy with the way that came out. These are actually nice and white again. Alright guys, as you can see, the shoes are completely finished and they are white. Compared to what we started with, you guys remember these were absolutely filthy, they were brown, and now they are white. Let's get in that canvas. You can see there, it is clean. Now there's some slight yellowing, but it's white canvas, so that's gonna happen over time regardless, but these look amazing. Also, I repeated that detergent method, I think once or twice, I don't remember, but you can just do it as many times to get the desired results, obviously. But if you want this treatment done to your own pair, DM my IG at Dre-Storations. If you have any questions or concerns, DM me, drop a comment. I'm always happy to help. And if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share, and follow, or subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next one.